Alright, we're putting Bumblebee together. I started the clip just a minute ago and had a problem with this area. So I'm starting back where I left off. I'll catch you up real quick. It wasn't much. Put the spoiler on. It was just one screw. It was a flat, short, tapered screw. There was 3 of those left, matching each other. And they all went in this area. The other 2 went on this part. So this is all together now. And next part is his upper torso. So like I said, I had problems with those going on. And maybe some clear coat built up on that yellow stud. It did not want to go through the hole in this one. So I had to do some trimming there with the X-Acto knife and some sandpaper and get those to clip together. So now we're at that point. And I did go back, paint the wheels, blacked them out, did the silver faces, and then clear coated this whole part. Now after I get it together, I'll take flat black and paint the tire itself, leaving the rim gloss. Alright, let's hope these fit together good. I didn't really get to test fit them. They will hook into these spots. Let's see if we can do this number here. Get all this out of the way. That's it. One side. Looks pretty even. Alright, so here we have 4 screws left. They all go on this, and that's all the screws left. I may actually cheat this time and use the other figure we have to make sure I'm putting these in the correct spot. So I'm going to check the screws right by the door hinge. Let's see what those are. Shorter ones or the longer ones. And they are the short ones, as I thought. Right, just wanted to make sure. Turning backwards till it clicks. I found the threads. And right in. I'm not going to torque it down super tight just till it wants to stop on its own, and a little snug turn after that. The other short one. My screwdriver is somewhat magnetic, so that helps a lot sometimes. And the last 2. Those don't want to go. Something's not lined up. There it is. Push that together some more. Hopefully it'll draw up. Let me tighten it down correctly. There it is. There. I'm doing one little snug turn. Make sure it part's pulled down tight. And remember, I'll go back and black out all those screws. So this side looks like it could go down some more. There it is. We're good. Alright. It's almost together. Alright. This is long. I gotta loosen the head up, I do believe. Let's see. Back the screw out a couple times, so hopefully it'll pop on. Yep. And tighten it back up a little bit. And we have the glass for the windows. I think this is the correct way, but if you guys noticed, I don't even know if I mentioned it, I may have at the beginning, is I removed the race car nets from the window. Took a Dremel tool and sandpaper and sanded that. So I'm still not sure how that's going to fit together in car mode, if I'm just going to have to leave the window down. That may not be the right side. Didn't feel right. So we'll see. And this side doesn't feel right either. Weird. Based on this one, this would be the correct way to put them on, with the holes, the indentions here showing towards the inside when they're up. And that one feels a little better than the other one. Okay. Remember how that backpack's supposed to fold up correctly. Same thing here, I clear coated these complete pieces because I did the tail light detail and the wheels. And again, I'll go back and flat black the tires. And there's still a few more details I'll go back and do on this guy. Some more detail around the headlights, just flat colors. Maybe some more copper or yellow or something around the springs in here. And I'll put another coat of white on this license plate area and this license plate area. And hopefully later I can find some decals to put for a realistic license plate number there. Screen accurate would be nice, but something would be better than nothing. Maybe use some decals from a smaller scale model car. And he is together. Many years later. This one took so long because it was supposed to be a friend learning how to paint this, and I ended up doing it. So, there she is finally. And I've done one just like it before. So I added a little more detail this time. And I'm going to always try to one-up myself. Everything I work on. Another reason it took so long. I always try to do better each time I do something.